In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Jira. First things first, go ahead and open Jira. This is your main hub for project management, where all your tasks and updates are centralized. By turning off email notifications, you'll minimize distractions and focus better on what matters. It's a simple process, but it gives you more control over your workflow. Once you have Jira open, look towards the top right corner. Here you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. This is your starting point for accessing personal settings. It's important because these customized settings allow you to tailor Jira to fit your personal needs and preferences. Now that you've clicked your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Personal Settings. This section holds various options to personalize your Jira experience. Adjusting these settings ensures that you have an optimal environment suited to your workflow. With your personal settings open, the next step is to click on Notification Settings. Notifications in Jira are designed to keep you informed, but too many can be overwhelming. By adjusting these settings, you'll stay informed without feeling inundated. At this point, you'll see options like spaces and work items, or projects and issues depending on your Jira setup. Select the one that matches your configuration. This step is crucial because it determines which specific notifications you are going to manage. Now, it's time to turn off notifications. Locate the toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable them. This action will help streamline your communication channels. Remember, turning off these notifications doesn't mean you're disconnected. You can still stay updated through the Jira dashboard or mobile app when it's convenient for you. As you complete this process, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity of Jira's design. It's built to empower users with easy-to-manage settings. This little step will save you a lot of time later, keeping your email inbox less cluttered and your mind focused on the tasks at hand. And there you have it. With notifications turned off, you're in charge of when and how you receive updates. This autonomy is key to maintaining a productive and efficient workflow. You can always revisit these settings if you need to make changes in the future. Just remember, Jira is flexible and adaptable, meant to work the way you do. If you ever need notifications enabled again, simply follow these steps in reverse. This flexibility ensures you can adapt to changing project demands seamlessly. With that ready, you'll notice the difference in your daily focus and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of Jira's customizable features to further enhance your experience. Until next time, keep those distractions at bay and stay productive.